Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my mother tool. So in today's video, I'm gonna keep it a little bit different. I'm filming off my phone just to see how this works out. But today's video is going to be pretty much just like a little show and tell moment. I really want to get Halloween down this year. I missed last year, so I want to make up for it. But also too, I just feel like this is a really good deal. So today I'm gonna be showing you the All Pro Makeup Kit special effects version of the exactly what I just said. It's a special effects kit from Mehron. So one of the things that I love about this is it's really affordable, especially if you don't know what you need, or you're just like trying to get your mind wrapped up on like, I need this, I don't know what to use, blah, blah, blah. So this is only $124. If you catch it on a sale like I did, I got 20% off of this. I don't think they're doing it anymore, but if you catch it on a sale, it's popping. So on the back, it comes with everything that you get in here. It has the list of it, it has a picture of it, and it also has a couple quick like makeup looks. And the makeup artist who did this was Megan Hester, so good job on that because it looks really cool. So super simple, and everything in this is really easy to carry. It's very small, and it's good for just like your first special effects kit. I took everything out. When you open it, you get two pamphlets. The first pamphlet you get is the aging pamphlet. It kind of just walks you through step by step what to do. So for females and for males, and it breaks it down by like if you're doing dramatic age makeup, if you're doing like middle age makeup, it has all kinds of pictures on that. Secondly, it has this special effects step-by-step instruction kit. This one's really cool too, because it literally just shows you simple looks with the products that they supply you. So I think that that's really cool, and it's easy, and I like the fact that it came in the kit, especially if you are just starting off. It's a bomb to have. So we're gonna jump into everything, and I'm gonna just show you guys. Before I do that though, I'm gonna show you guys something that I picked up outside of the kit. And I think it's really cool because it's full size, and two of them come in the kit. They're just different colors. So I bought these Tooth FX stains. What you do is you pretty much wash your mouth, you let your teeth dry. I would like pat it with alcohol, and then you literally just put this on your teeth. It'll dry and they'll stay the color. You can brush this off with just regular toothpaste, or if you want, you can take like an alcohol wipe and just wipe your teeth. It'll take it straight off. I got it in nicotine, so it's like a really yellow color. And then I also got it in black. This one, I cannot wait to use this. I think it's gonna be so dope, so crazy. So it looks like this. So in the kit, you actually get two, and I wanna say they're the exact same size, full size. Yep, they sure are. So you get the same one that I have. It's the nicotine one, it's the yellow one. And then in this one, you get blood red, which I think is really cool because I didn't grab that one and it was in the kit. So thank God I got them all. It comes with this liquid latex, which I think is really dope because it's a generous size of liquid latex. One thing to note about liquid latex is it does dry fast, so eventually you do need to pour out more and you need to use a little bit more. So I think it's cool that they gave you 4.5 fluid ounces of this. And I want to say this is like $8 on their page. Don't hold me to that, but I think that's what it is. Also too, one of my main like loves and things that I like about Mehron is everything is really, really easy to use. They have videos on every single product. So if you were to get this and you're like, cool, I don't know how to use this, I don't know how to use this, you can search the products on their website and it'll break it down, and it has a YouTube video with, I think, the same makeup artist that did the makeup on the box. She walks you step by step through every product, and I think that that's so cool. So we got those tooth stains down, liquid latex. I love that it came with spirit gum, and it comes with a small one, which is, in my opinion, better. If you don't use a lot of spirit gum, it pretty much hardens and it goes to waste. So I think if you're gonna buy spirit gum, I would buy it in the small one. And it comes with spirit gum remover. So this is something that you would use for bald caps. You could use it for adding hair to your face. You could use it for prosthetics, all that kind of stuff. And then you have the makeup remover to take it off. Secondly, we have hair white. So this is literally exactly what it says it is. You literally just comb this through your hair and it gives you that like aged creepy effect to your hair. And then you have another vial, which is color set powder. So this is really cool if you are doing anything like this. So this is the 3D gel. So this you can do two ways. This, all it pretty much is just gel. You warm it up, put it on your skin, however you want to have it, like dripping, scars, whatever. You can warm it up in a mug, or you can like put it in hot water, or you can put it in the microwave for like 10 seconds every time you warm it up. Take the cap off and it'll start to get really liquidy. You pour it into a bowl, continue to use it. There's a whole video for it. But where this stays really like sticky and tacky, this color set powder goes straight on top and it mattifies it. So bomb that they work together. Next, you have the barrier spray. So this is really cool because this is multi-purpose. You can use this for special effects makeup. Alongside, you can use it for beauty makeup. It's literally just a setting spray. And the cool thing about this is it is a setting spray that smells like vanilla. So if you are into scents and stuff, I would definitely recommend it. If you're turned off by scents in products, I definitely would say choose something else. But it comes in the kit, so make use of it. Next, you get rigid collodion. So this is really cool if you wanted to create that kind of like Joker effect to your mouth. All it does is it pretty much just dries and it kind of gives you like a wrinkle to your skin. And it's a generous size of this too. After that, you get Fixative A. So this is just a sealer. So say you wanted to put the 3D gel on, or you're using any kind of like scar wax or anything like that, you literally just put this over and it seals it down. Next, this is my favorite part of special effects makeup, hands down. I love collecting it. I tried making it at one point and I suck at it, but maybe I should do that for Halloween as like a video. I think that'd be fun. So you get not one, but 3 different styles of blood. So this is, like I said about the liquid latex, this is a really good amount of this. So this is stage blood. Nope, this is squirt blood. So this blood, if you look at it, it's very like deep and dark in tone. This is a little bit more runny. So if you're doing like a scar and you're gonna have it just like drip, or for like cuts, bruises, tears, all of that, I feel like this is a really cool blood to have. It doesn't stay long on the skin, so I definitely would recommend something different if you want longevity out of it. But if you just want just regular blood, it's really, really cool. Second is stage blood. So stage blood is another one of my favorite bloods because it's a little thicker. And this one is actually really good if you have like a cut or a wound, or if you wanted to do like the fangs and you want that like blood that lasts, this is it. This is gonna be the blood that stays a little bit longer. And this is a little bit smaller of a vial, but I mean, for what it is and how long it stays, I feel like it's worth it. And then lastly, my obsession with scab blood, thick, rich, like, I don't know. I just love this style of blood. So this is the coagulated blood. I'm gonna open it so you guys can see it. So it looks like this. It's just very thick. I love this for scabs. I love it for anything. Anything that you wanna make seem realistic, this is the blood to use. I'm so sad. I don't know if you guys heard about this or not, but Spirit Halloween isn't gonna open this year. You're still gonna be able to shop from like their online store. But as for like going into a Spirit store, even if you're like looking at all of this and you're like, it's a lot and I don't know what I want, and maybe I just want a couple pieces and this is still too much for you, I definitely would check them out. They have one of my favorite scab bloods, but literally if you can afford this, so much better, so much more realistic, and it's bomb. It is literally bomb. I literally am obsessed with this. So after that, this is really cool. So they give you a scab prosthetic. It looks like this. And then they give you 2 bullet wound prosthetics. So literally you have everything that you would need to make this look realistic. You have the spirit gum to glue it down, liquid latex to put around it to make it look more sunken into the skin, color set to kind of like mattify it so it doesn't look too shiny. But yeah, awesome, awesome, awesome. You also get a powder puff, so if you're working on bigger surfaces like the face or anywhere along the body and you just want to set it without having to use a brush, this is really cool. Powder stays in this too, so if you have like a client that you're working on and you want to leave them with a little bit of powder, just put it in the puff and it's popping. After that, you get two things. So I think this is really cool. This is a bald cap cover up. It is literally called the mask cover / cream blend. So this is foundation and also bald cap coverage. I think this works for both. So if you wanted to use this for like your face alongside your bald cap, you should be able to. But they give you it, and it looks like this. You have 3 skin tones, 1 zombie green, black, white, gray, and brown. And then they also give you this, which is called the Pro Color Ring. It's the bruise wheel. So for any bruising or any kind of discoloration that you need for the skin, this is really cool. Also, the thing that I like about this is a lot of brands make it where it opens up, and I feel like a lot of the times it pops off for like the little hinge breaks. This one, you literally just screw it on. So it's easy to carry and it'll stay intact versus breaking off. Same thing with this. It comes in a palette, so super easy to use. And if this is like for your personal usage, you can totally use this as like a mixing palette. Next, we have 2 sponge tip applicators, or just 2 sponge applicators. You literally can get these anywhere. Really, really good. Really recommend for bruising. And then you get this, which is just kind of like a spongy texture. You can use this for a lot of things. For beauty makeup, you could use it for freckles, for bruising, for like scabs, anything. You can use it for discoloration around a wound. Awesome. They also give you, there's 5, I think it's 5 Q-tips, and they're pointed on one end, round on the other. You also get 3 brushes, which is really cool too, because I don't think I've ever in my life owned a Mehron brush, and you know, at least I get to try them out now. A lot of this stuff I have used or tried, and that's why I'm like, this is crazy. $124 for all of this. It's crazy. Even if it's just like smaller versions of it, it's still like, wow, it's crazy. So you also get some modeling putty and you get fake skin. Pretty much the same thing. Modeling putty is a little bit more for like creating a fake nose or like a witch's nose or whatever you want to do with this. Scars, scabs, all of that. The fake skin, it's a little thinner, so you can use this literally on top of anything. It works almost the same, it's just a little thinner. Next up, you have this little bag, and this has, I don't want to reveal it all, but it looks like this. It's literally just crepe hair. You can use this for turning yourself into a werewolf. You can use this for making crazy eyebrows, beards, anything your heart desires, you can use crepe hair for. Also too, I feel like it's worth noting that Mehron does sell deeper versions of things. So if you needed like different colors of the crepe hair, you could get that. I know they make the clear 3D gel, but they also have skin tone 3D gel and blood 3D gel. They also have it in like a cube, which you can cut and all of that. You'll learn more about it when you watch the videos, but this is just like my little intro on like the kit. And then lastly, you have makeup remover lotion, and most importantly, if you use any of these products and you use brushes with it, wash your brushes. It literally will stain your brushes. It'll mess up your brushes. I've done it. I've left brushes like this before, and it's broken down my brushes. My brushes, the brush hair will like fray and it won't work the same, or I've thrown plenty of brushes away because I was too lazy to wash them. So totally cool. Like I said, all of this stuff came, besides these 2, everything else came in this kit, and it was only $124. And like I said, I caught mine on a sale, so if you catch yours on a sale, even better. I did want to note this little thing too. So I got this on Amazon. It's, however you say this, however you say this. I don't know how to say this, but this little kit was only $18. And if you have Amazon Prime, you get like the free shipping, whatever. So this is really cool, and this is what I'm going to store my special effects makeup in. It's really sturdy. You can organize this however you want, and then you also have up here brush storage or whatever else you want, and then you have a zipper on this side, so you can put anything in here. Anything your little heart desires. So totally cool, and I thought it was worth mentioning because a lot of times people throw away boxes, and at least you'd have something to put it in. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm super excited for this. I literally cannot wait to use it. Like I said, it was only $124, and if you catch it on a sale, even better. I definitely would recommend Mehron to a lot of people because of the fact that its use factor is very simple, and they have tutorials on like anything that you could possibly want. Also, alongside of that, I've used Mehron for a while now. They have some of my favorite body paints. They smell like pineapple. It's just, I am very that person. If something smells good and something works, I'm 10 out of 10 obsessed with it, and I probably will buy it again. So I'm definitely excited for all of this. I really think you guys should get your hands on it, especially while it's kind of like pre-Halloween time. You can get this and have it in time for Halloween. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will link this down in the description so you guys can get your hands on it. It's not affiliated. They are not paying me. They are not doing any of that. If they want to, though, they can. We can talk. We can organize something. But other than that, I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until the next one, bye.